We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Day Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Hey guys, we are marking up AT&T. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame. We're gonna head over to price. Price action candle, bullish candle, coming from an area of support. Price action highs is trying to reach this area here. Price action lows. So we can clearly see market price is coming from a downtrend. So markets working that way down. So we're gonna have to see if market's price is gonna get respected for the midpoint in this area for the drop down, for the market to continue dropping down unless we'll get a breakout of this midpoint. We'll find a retest, market shoot up. Or this market can consolidate in this area here before we get the breakout to the midpoint and create new highs, or the breakout to the downside for the break and retest for new lows. I set down a weekly time frame. Okay, so we can see that market price came to that area of support at that low. So we got multiple spike down once, twice, three times, double bottom, retest, market came up, got another retest, market pushed up. So we can clearly see markets in that incline, markets breaking new levels to create these areas of high. So we can clearly see market price is coming up to this SR line of this zone. Think about we created. So we're gonna see if this the area the price is gonna keep continuing, break it up into that zone / SR line right in the middle for that breakout, or did price reach where it need to reach at that the market can come back down, or are we going to get that consolidation between the midpoint line and the area second last candle below price, which is a doji. Let's walk down to the daily time frame. Okay, so we can identify some patterns on this time frame, which is a W. So market is working that way up for the W. So most likely we can be getting more pushes once market breaks the midpoint. So let's read the market. We have a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. W formation came after the retest. Market pushed up once, retest. Market pushed up twice, retest. Market pushed up three times, retest. Market pushed up four. Automatically, that's exhaustion. So market price is riding on this area here for that push up. We do have that first leg in red, second, third, fourth. Retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, and we just had a high. So we got to see what's going on. So we still got about a few more pushes that the market can push up. So if you think about putting this area into a range, you're waiting for a breakout of this area to the top side of the bottom side. So price action candle on this time frame is a bullish candle, but it's involved with the second to last candle and third to last candle, which shows that's the area of consolidation. The top of the fourth to last candle of that wick is that area of support, which we create that consolidation line at, and come up to the second last candle and the wick of the third last candle, that's that consolidation area. So we'll be waiting for a breakout to see if market's going to break out above this area here, retest, and keep on shooting up further. If price make it up to the midpoint line, then we got to see if that market's going to break out. But if not, market's going to consolidate in that area for that breakout or breakdown. And then last but not least, we can receive some type of double single top. Market could push down, retest. So market could shorten itself into this midpoint range, pushed up once, came back down, pushed up twice, drop back down. Market come from a double top, or maybe just a single top. One spike up, spike down, or it could be a triple top, which would be a little bit of consolidation before that market drop back down. Headed down to the 4 hour, we're gonna keep our consolidation lines. I also kept the midpoint line as well into that consolidation. So what do we receive in that area? Market spiked up once, spiked up twice, spiked up 3 times. So 3 pushes to the top, retest. And market's at that low area of that consolidation, kind of just trying to figure out what it's going to do. We don't know if this is going to be an area of support for that market to push up. Price action candle, last candle in the market is a doji. So we need a engulfing pattern, engulfing candle to engulf this area to push that market up or push that market down. Let's walk down time frame to the 3. The market's still in an area of consolidation, looking at dojis, and price acts like a doji. Second last candle is like a hammer / doji. So weak candles, consolidation. Now we can see the consolidation now from this high of this area here. But overall, could still be a downtrend unless price breaks out of this midpoint line that we created earlier. Headed down to the 1. So on the 1 hour, we see now we can see that double top a lot clearer in that overall. Market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, came back down. I think the early wheels on the time frame I think showed more like 3 spikes. It looked more like 3 spikes for the candle, but coming down lower time frame, we can see spiked up once, market spiked up twice. Got a retest, consolidation, market pushed down. So it basically spiked up twice, got a double bottom in there. So let's show it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double top. This market spiked up twice, consolidated. So when that market spiked down once, came back up, spiked down twice. We got an M, W. So we have that W retest. And we're going to see that market's going to push up again in that area. So if it does, we know market's doing that double top in that area. If it breaks out, the market is respecting that W overall. If not, then price is respecting that high, which will be a double top. Market will come back down, and we'll see if they're going to break or not in that area. Price currently at. Headed down to the 45. Okay, 45, 1 hour and 45. It's the same extended candles. 30s, the same extended candles. Now we're starting to see more patterns forming. The market is extended out the candles. So with the 30 to 15, the 30 was much more tight up. On the 15, we see that double bottom formation. We see the double top I was talking about as well. So let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double top, got the double bottom, first, second, third, fourth, retest. So we're going to see that market's going to spike up. Price acts at a doji right now. Second last candle is still a doji, which is a inverted hammer. So we still need a market to engulf that to the top side or bottom side. Where price action is currently at is at the midpoint overall. So it's just riding at midpoint. So it's going to go back up to the high or come back to that low of that area on the 15-minute. Head down to the 5. Now we can see that structure. We can see that W, second, third. We can see it a lot clearer. Market pushed up, came back for the retest. Consolidation area. Still a whole bunch of dojis in this area, inverted candles. Still waiting for that market to break. You can see extension of candles. Market spiked up once, consolidated in the middle, spiked down twice. Is that an area of support for that market to shoot up? Don't know yet. Price didn't break that area, that low, that support yet. We see some type of patterns here. I mean, it's slightly like a W, first, second, third, fourth. Market came back down for a retest, spiked down. Don't know if it's going to get respected for that market to come back up. Also, if not, that's not it. It could be a downtrend. What that market could be in. So overall, that would be spike up once, spike up twice, spike up 3 times, triple top, market coming down. May follow up with another push up or retest in this area here, and the market may drop. If not, that's the breakout. Retest, market coming back further. Price action does look like a support candle or area support, market to push up. We won't be able to identify that until the next few candles move around. Very important information, guys. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. You review the pattern that pops up. So we have a triple top, head and shoulders pattern. Market spiked up once, twice, 3 times, and break. Market end up coming back down. Very important information, guys. Please understand and review breakout retest strategy. When the market is at that low and it breaks out to that midpoint of the blue SR line, come back to return. We look for entry for that pattern. The market will go up. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention.